Hi everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to download and install QB64 on Windows 10. Whether you're a beginner or revisiting classic programming, this tutorial will walk you through each step safely and clearly. First, open your browser and go to the official QB64 website at QB64.com. This ensures you get the latest and most secure version of the software. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download section. The website is user-friendly, so finding the Windows download link is quick and easy. Make sure to select the download link specifically for Windows. Choosing the correct version is crucial to avoid compatibility issues. Click the link to start the download. Wait until the file is fully downloaded before proceeding. Partial or interrupted downloads can cause errors during installation. After the download finishes, open the file to start installation. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow Windows security permissions if needed, and stick to the default settings to keep the process simple. Finally, launch QB64 right after installation to verify that everything is set up correctly. This helps you catch any issues early and ensures a smooth start to programming. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed QB64 on Windows 10. Now you're ready to start coding and exploring Classic Basic with a modern setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.